Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create my WhatsApp link. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if your relative or friend cannot find you on WhatsApp, then you can send him a link to chat with you. Today we will learn how to do this. So we go into any application where you can enter text and enter wa.me/ and your phone number with the country code completely as you indicated when registering in WhatsApp. So you have created a link and you can already click on it. Click and as you can see a chat with me really opens. Next you simply copy this link and send it to anyone who wants to chat with you. That's how easy it is. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial make your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.